So I grabbed this decor from Target. It was around Christmas time, and they are calling it an interchangeable decor, and it was used to count down the days until Christmas. But they also had some blank boards in there that you can either use a piece of chalk on, or on the white side was a dry erase. I decided to slide the black pieces in, and then I got this love word from Target section as well. And I'm going to start by painting that using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. Now that's just the brand of paint that we use. All paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And then I had this tag laying around in my stash of wood, and I'm just going to cut off the top of it. I just need a rectangular shape, and I'm going to take my Wise Owl black and paint that piece with the black. And then I'm going to set those aside to dry. I got these DIY stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take one big red one out, and using my Wise Owl Snow Owl, I'm just going to lightly brush it on top of the red heart. And I'm going to let some of the red peek through. I went to my love, and once the white had dried, I took some Republic Red and Snow Owl, mixed it together to get this color, and I'm just going to dry brush on top of my word. Dry brushing just means a small amount of paint, and I got this pack of wood tiles from Hobby Lobby. It was 60 pieces, and I was able to spell out the saying, "This home is built on," and then I took my love and put it at the bottom. Now I'm going to use my hot glue to attach these all into place, but you can also use some E6000. I then took my black rectangle and glued it on the top right side to look like a chimney. And I took my heart and put it right in the center there. And then I attached the love to the bottom of the board using the hot glue as well. And then to finish this off, I'm just going to take my Wise Owl furniture salve, and I'm just going to apply it to any areas that have some paint, and this is just going to freshen it up. And there we go. Now we have this very easy "This home is built on love" wall hanging. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out some other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.